Hi everyone, welcome to Paper Flight. I'm Ryan. In this video, I'm going to show you something quite different. This is a javelin plane. It's a thin paper plane that flies very far. Its flight trajectory is not like a glider, it's like a parabola. This plane holds the current record for the longest paper airplane flight. It is called Mach 5, and it holds the current world record for 88.318 meters. Although the original folding tutorial is not out, in this video I'm going to show you a crack version I made. I spent hours to review it as close to the world record as possible, and it flies very well. Just look at this clip of my best throw. Okay. So it's clear that it flew 64 meters. It's my personal best for a javelin plane. Now let's see how to fold this plane. It's best if you have 100 grams per meter A4 paper. First, label the left side and right side of the paper. And then fold the right side to the left side like this. Open it up. See, here is this top part of the crease. Label this part. Fold the corner there, but don't fold it yet. We're gonna have to hold this bottom point and then pull this part upwards. You don't have to pull too much. I think just 5-6 millimeters are fine. Something like that, so you can see here's the little gap over here. Turn the paper over and then fold this part to the bottom of the line. Fold it back using the crease. Open the paper entirely. Fold the top left corner to this point here. There's a very interesting step here. So this crease there, you can mark this part and then fold the paper there, but don't fold it yet, just fold this corner over here. Then you hold that corner and then pull the entire paper over. Pull until this crease, so you can see it's just above the line. Now fold the line through the crease upwards, covering the little top of the triangle. Now we're gonna do the continuous repetitive folding for most javelin planes. But first, use your pen to mark a point here. You see this straight crease over here? Mark 0.5 centimeters to the left. Fold this 0.5 centimeters point to the top. The top is here, so you can see this sharp angle. Now fold it again from that point to this point. Actually, when folding, you can leave a little gap here, like 1 or 2 millimeters. It makes the top of the plane heavier and also makes it more tight. Fold it like this. Then just do this continuous rolling. But you have to be very skilled at this though, because you want to make the plane as tight as possible. While folding, do it like me, just use this ruler to flatten all the parts of the plane. Roll it again and again. Here is where it stops, until there's this little extra part like me. You fold this to near the end, and then fold it again, so it will be something like this. There's this top extra part. Use your finger to fold this part, and then fold it inwards to eventually get it inside with your finger or a pen or something to lock the plane itself. That way it's tightened and behaves well in midair. It's not finished yet, but I would recommend do a little taping at this stage. Not something big, but just to tape the top of the plane to, strengthen the top. And then here's the final step. You fold this plane in half. Yeah, just like this, but there's lots of layers of paper, so you need to use your full energy and use the ruler to make it as flat as possible. Now you got the finished product. Here's how to fly it. There's this part here, you hold this part and fly it like this. Fly it upwards to the front. And the secret behind this is use full force. Throw it as hard as possible so it can fly very far, just like this video. The dart plane in this video flew very fast and very far. It flew out of the tennis court from above the net. So anyway, I'm Ryan from Paper Flight. Bye! See you next time.